All right, so the next thing I want to try to cruise through here is lifecycle history analytics with time tracking. So Sherry showed that they're using lifecycle history tracking. So the way that works is I'm going to pull up an asset here, my demo asset called Track Me. Track Me 001. So this is a hardware record, and I'm going to pull up this hardware record. We have added a hardware lifecycle history table to the AssetTrack application. You can decide, you can build your own lifecycle history table yourself and teach AssetTrack to record updates to it. We can provide you an update set that includes the hardware lifecycle history table. It's part of the AssetTrack scope, so you're not getting dinged by ServiceNow for a custom table because they're liking to charge money for that stuff now. But here for this Track Me asset, I can look at the entire lifecycle history. You can determine what fields you want to track in the history table, including any custom fields. You'll notice here I'm including the attestation. But here we can see the whole life cycle of the asset from when it was ordered to when it was received, deployed, certified, checked in. Here it's returned to the AssetTrack Pro Depot, which I'm going to introduce Mike Laurie here soon to talk about that. And then it was received at the depot, sanitized, and retired. So this is a way to get to record asset lifecycle history. We can add signatures to this, as Sherry showed you. And then another cool thing that we're doing is the ability to track durations between changes to fields. And an important one of that is state. So you'll see here that we're recording state duration as assets move through states in the life cycle. We can also do that for substate. We track the time between those states. So now I can get some cool utilization reports. Not just utilization, but utilization and stock levels and planning, vendor management. There's a lot of different things that come out of this. So this report here, the average state duration, it's just a simple ServiceNow report. You don't need performance analytics and all that complication to get this done. This is just averaging the average state duration over a period of time. So we're seeing here that my assets are sitting in use on average 260 days. They're sitting in stock for an average of 57 days. They're in transit for 19 hours, and they've been on order for I've got to fix that demo data here, but I received something within 1 minute after ordering it. But point is, you can now start to monitor how assets move through your life cycle and the time it takes for things to move through. This can be extended to tracking the duration of in maintenance for your maintenance vendors, for your disposal vendors, for the time that it takes things to go pending disposal to fully disposed. And this is going to help you really become a dashboard that help you determine if things are going wrong. Some of the key KPIs that our advanced asset management customers want to know is, are we turning things over? Are we carrying things in stock too long? Are our vendors delivering on the services in a timely manner and meeting their SLAs? So AssetTrack is enabling that now. And so this is available today, and it comes with your subscription, so you don't have to pay for it. We just need to help you implement it, and just let us know if